Oh, wow. What's this? Hello and welcome to Fast Forward EV, where today we're going to be talking about electric bicycles. This is the Lectric eBikes XP Step-Thru 2.0. Got on their Black Friday sale in November of 2021, which in addition to being $50 off the regular price, included some extra upgrade parts, namely a suspension seat and an upgraded front light. Now, I think there might be one other item. But anyway, we're going to get this thing unboxed. We're going to do a slow-mo of the assembly of it and see if we can get this thing ready to ride. Let's go. So there it is, fully assembled. It arrives fully assembled. It was pretty amazing. It took about 45 minutes to get all the packaging off of it. Very well packaged, and looks beautiful. It's both bigger and smaller than I expected. It's bulky. It's got a heft to it. It looks and feels very sturdy. And I'm looking forward to completing the checkout of it and getting it ready for its first ride. So when I started this channel, I said this was going to be about more than electric road cars, and here is the promise kept. This is a road bike, electrified bicycle, folding, and all that stuff. So we're gonna get this thing plugged into its charger before it gets its first ride. Okay, when plugged in, the charger has a little red light on it that is green when it is not plugged in. I am hoping and assuming that that will turn green again when the battery is fully charged. That would make sense to me. We'll check it later and see if that's what happened. Here's a look at the business end of things. There's the derailleur and all the gears. Hub motor back there. Crankset's pretty large. I guess that's because it's a small wheel bike. Here is that suspension seat post. And the seat itself has some pretty hefty looking springs on it. It is nice and big, as you can see. In addition to the upgrades already mentioned, the shock absorbing seat and the bigger headlight. Another thing they included with this package is this rather hefty bike lock. And it has mount points on the bike right there. Okay. It's charged for a while. I don't know if it's done. Let's turn it on. I think we hold this button down. Yeah, it lights up. 0, energy bar not full, but I think we're going to take it for a spin anyway. Okay, the PAS is 0. I think at that setting it doesn't turn at all. So yeah, turning the twist, nothing's happening. I think I need to get it into 1. Pressing that button there. Woo! Yep. Okay, let's take this thing for a spin. So it's really sturdy, good looking, and affordable. I'm very happy with the purchase. I hope we're going to have a lot of fun with this in coming videos.